Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser. And then evenly apply toner. Choose skin rejuvenation. Parameter adjustment. Filter selection, 530 nanometers. J/CM superscript 2 recommendation, 22. RF recommendation, 7. Cooling recommendation, 5. Apply the gel evenly on the face with a thickness of 0.5 centimeters. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. The operator must wear goggles as well. Apply a stamping technique horizontally across the entire face, ensuring the treatment head is pressed against the skin. Press the handle button for each treatment spot. Remove the goggles. Use a mask stick to scrape off the gel, then wipe clean. Apply a mask. Remove the mask after 15 minutes and cleanse the face. Apply toner, followed by essence, cream.